Good morning. Say hi, Desi. You eating nanas? You eating nanas for breakfast? How's it going, people? I feel like I've been a little bit MIA lately. I haven't been getting enough rest, and I've been working really hard. So if anybody's trying to get a hold of me, I just want to let you know I'm just going to probably disconnect for a little bit. I'm not sure really how long. I'm just going to really focus on being a mom and do the Beachbody stuff because that makes me really happy. And if anybody needs lashes, just send me a text, but know that I probably won't be around for about a week, okay? Some stuff's just got to be taken care of. This self-care. And one thing that means the most to me. Hey, buddy? Have a great day.